Something strange is happening with the DJI Avata 360. For a drone that was supposed to launch months ago, things have gone unusually quiet. Late last year, leaks suggested it was ready, promotional images surfaced, certifications were confirmed, and even pricing details appeared online. But here we are, deep into February, and still no official announcement. So, what's really going on? I reached out to a source in China with DJI connections, and here's the truth. The Avata 360 is real, finished, and ready to launch. The delay isn't about development issues, it's about strategy, competition, and perfecting the software. DJI wants this hybrid FPV plus 360 degrees drone to work flawlessly before release. First, competition. DJI originally planned to launch before Insta360's anti-gravity drone, but Insta360 accelerated its timeline. DJI slowed down to avoid rushing into a crowded market. Second, software. Merging aggressive FPV flight with full 360 degrees capture is complex. From AI stitching to mobile apps and editing workflows, everything must be flawless. Releasing early could damage DJI's reputation. Even with FCC approval, DJI has to navigate global regulations. Reports suggest Asia-first rollout and carefully adjusted pricing. Latest leaks point to a mid-March launch, giving DJI time to integrate the latest tech from its newest drones. Pricing leaks are in. The base drone with one battery is roughly $450 to $500 globally. A version with the RC2 controller may hit $700, and full FPV, Fly More bundles could approach $1,000, including goggles, extra batteries, and motion controllers. Features include gesture control, voice commands, Wi-Fi, and even Apple Watch integration. The highlight? 360 degrees capture. Dual lenses cover upward and downward 180 degrees views, with AI stitching creating seamless 8K 360 degrees imagery. Camera performance rivals the Osmo 360 to 120 MP photos, 8K video, improved 20 km transmission, and 25 minutes of flight time. This isn't for beginners. FPV flight and 360 degrees content creation require skill and hardware capable of handling it. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could be DJI's most innovative drone yet, blending immersive visuals with hardcore FPV performance. For professionals and enthusiasts, this could completely change aerial content creation. If you want to stay on top of the latest drone leaks, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.